A delayed approval can hold up a purchase order. A field tablet that will not sync can slow dispatch. An accounting system outage can delay invoices and cash flow. For Eden Prairie businesses, IT directly impacts daily operations. As 3VN Service Manager Trent Isaacson explains, the best IT conversations start with the workflow. Who is waiting, what system is slowing them down, and what business result needs to improve. Construction, manufacturing, professional services, healthcare, and finance organizations all depend on reliable systems, secure access, and connected workflows. Cybersecurity, backups, monitoring, and recovery planning help reduce disruption before it affects the business. Fractional CIO guidance helps align technology, budgets, vendors, and cybersecurity with business goals. The objective is simple: technology that supports how your business operates. To learn more, read the full article and add this to your Spotify playlist.